angikwazi ukukhuluma ngesimo engangikhuluma ngaso ngoba leso simo sisenza singa-understandani sobabili.
Lwandla sivumelane nje ukuthi kukushintshe kakhulu ukuthi uhambe uyoshaya ingcefe yentombi encane obojabula obukwa abantu ukuthi afujabula uzazi nokuthi uyithini ngoba uyazana njani. Yonke into ekhuluma kumina imazwi amambi nabuhlungu ahlangene nokuzala nokungazalwa based on ukuthi unethisile. So ngcono leyo nto sidlule kahle nje kuyona sivume ukuthi i-excitement yakho ikwenze wabona ukuthi khona wena u-right imini onenkinga because la mazwi wakhuluma
angakhulunyiswa ngalokho mashobana and angifuni lana sivumelane ngalokho.
Ayikho into engathi namhle la ngiyisho boldly phambi kwabantu.
But ngisanda ukubona kwe-graduation nendodakazi. That child would never have got where she was were it not your presence. And I've seen turning other people's lives around. To me, there's a contradiction.
If it's been said by you, it's meaningless. Abantu abafaka uthiki abakamseleli. So if they do not recognize that, noma ungakusho wena babundabe kufana noma makushiwa yini. Then how I've been made to feel ukuthi being a mother to Umpilo bengasho lutho nje bengenza ngoba bengikhona noma umuphi umama bengakwenza mhlambe it's not that important or special.
I've seen how in some of the episodes when you would approach Mnini's face would light up, speaking to the kind of relationship that you guys have, and that on its own is a meaningful contribution to the family, where a child's face lights up when you approach.
Bonani Ninjani, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Guys, please try and watch the advert so that we continue and deliver to you the stories, right? Please watch the adverts. Let's start the conversation. Let's talk downstairs. Welcome back to Anything and Everything Under the Sun. There is no topic here that is off limit. We speak about anything and everything that we want to discuss. So welcome. Right, season 9 Uthando Nesthembu. This is yesterday's episode, which was Wednesday. I am glad the fact team we are trying to get to the bottom of this, because for some time I've been kind of very confused about uThobile. Now uThobile ukhuluma noBabundabe uthi if logo okushiwo, if ngabe lokusho abantu bakamseleke ukuthi usecontributile kulomndeni, they are happy, ngabo happy. So abantu bakamseleke abafaka OT akusibona abantu bangaphandle. Mathobile, what's her name? Makhumalo Thobile Mseleko feels ukuthi she is not being appreciated kwaMseleko enough. I-contribution yakhe ayilutho kanjalo nothatha kwakhe umpilo wakhe lutho. I don't know, I want to be corrected. Angikhumbuli uMseleko etshela uThobile ukuthi ayikho into econtributayo kulomndeni. Angikhumbuli uMseleko etshela uThobile ukuthi akana value kulomndeni. Ngicabanga ukuthi uMseleko kade efuna ukuthatha number 5. He's been saying it. And isilonda saThobile njengamanje, let's all agree, isilonda saThobile uSamke. And I'm glad uThobile uyasho ukuthi ufila some type of a way for uMseleko ukuthi ahambe ayothatha ingane encane, because uMseleko kahle isilonda saThobile lapha ukuthi kuzaliwe ingane entsha, yena esekhona uyena yedwa kubafazi bakaMseleko sebephelele be5 ongakwazi ukuthola umntwana. And angazi ukuthi uyithatha pho uThobile into ukuthi mhlambe sicabanga ukuthi besicabanga ukuthi uMseleko ongazali. We understand her issues, we understand her fertility problems. It has been discussed in front of us. We siyadabulana naye, siya understand. Manje ubefuna uThobile ukuthi uMseleko angahamba uthatha umunye umfazi azale guys, I'm really confused. Like, it just doesn't make sense. The anger that Thobile has. Thobile akasafuna ukuba kulomndeni. Hayi kancane. And uya admita manje ukuthi ukuhamba kwamseleka ayothola umfazi osemncane kunabo bonke ikona ukwenza umseleko afele some type of a way ukuboost confidence kamseleko. Bengamele ngathi umseleko abe ne confidence as a man abone ukuthi usakwazi ukuzala, because the way things are kulabafazi bakhe kusho ukuthi ingane yakhe yokugcina bizobe ile nethole nomangwabe. There was going to be no any other child beside these kids that umseleko has. Yini nganza wethu umseleko ayenzile errong ngokuhamba yothatha uSamke? Yini lengaka edina uThobile? Is it fair to say uThobile udina ukuthi umseleko uexcited ngokuthi athola umntwana, umseleko excited ngokuthi abe nomfazi omusha osemncane? I feel like uThobile feels like engathi emhlabeni siyamjaja ngokuthi umseleko uyazala. Akaze kusho umseleko ukuthi akanayo inzalo, akaze sisho kanjalo. I feel like ekhanda la Thobile bengazuthi njengoba engabathola abantwana angazi engathi lento yakhe ngabe nabantwana ikhavekile because there's no any other kid vele manje. It's like nomseleko mhlawumbe unenkinga ethile, angazi. I think ufila kanjalo ukuthi ngathi nomseleko nawo benenkinga ethile, therefore for umseleko to have a kid encane it reveals ihlazo lamakhomali. Akusilona ihlazo ungabe nabantwana umakhomali. She's loved. Like uyathandeka, alright, uyathandwa njalo engenabo abantwana, unawo impilo wakhe, amtreat njengomntanakhe. So why are you so angry all of a sudden for the fact that your husband has a baby, whereby your barren issues has been spoken and been discussed on your show, and everything was fine with that, and you were not that angry? But the anger now, the angriness that she has, it's just, guys, it's just not validated anymore.
Ulahleke ngesikhathi sithatha umuntu endaweni bongenankinga nayo yonke into. So ilokho kufanele ngikhulume nawe ukuthi why ngithathi lo muntu engangithemena endaweni engakubo kwalo muntu unkosikazi nonkosikazi engimthatha umuntu. Iyona lento
eyenza okusecondary lelwandle.
Okay.
Okokuqala umbono ulahleke ngathi uthi akuhamba abantu, kanti umbono wawuthi akahamba umuntu esithenjini. Abantu nginegotiate nabo basho bana kungisizi lo. Manje ngiyavuma phela sikhuluma ngombono ulahleke. Angisujikile la.
Kwangisiza ukunegotiate nabantu bangangizwa.
Thumbeni. Sikhuluma ngombono.
Ungisiza kanjani ukuthi kulo nyaka ngiyanegotiate nawe?
Ngisaphendula because ukuletha kwami impendulo uzokwenza silalela.
Uma ama-rules ezoreverswa noma ashintshwe ukuthi indoda ibe umfazi abe indoda, then sesine-problem enkulu. Manje inkinga eyokuthi uthatha i-contribution ucabanga ukuthi izokwenza ube indoda, angeke zikwenze lokho.
Has it ever happened, Mthombeni, ukuthi sometimes ukuthatha isibuko reflect on your leadership skills? Ukuthi as uMthombeni, am I still leading with love, with appreciation? Am I formidable enough? Do I have boundaries? But that's the only way that they could trust your leadership.
Yazi mina mabundabe ngitsheliwe kwathiwa lokuthamba kwakhe bona kusinikeza inkinga, because my system yokulead is soft.
Mhlambe ene ubone ngazuthi ku soft kuyena, noma mhlambe la esoft khona ucabanga ukuthi usoft yonke indawo. No, bengakaze ngikubone lapha kwami ukuba soft.
No, Mthombeni ukhohlwe igama elilodwa lithi used to.
There we are. We have found the reason why Thobile is drifting away from Umseleko, why Thobile has changed completely, why Thobile has checked out from that family, why Thobile is now independent, and why Thobile now doesn't consider herself as Umseleko, and Thobile does not consider herself as a wife. She will say it obviously for social media reasons. She will say it for in the interviews to still belong, but personally, emotionally, she's not there anymore, and the hatred is actually showing. We have found the reason. uthi uThobile wadinwa ukuthi uMseleku wacula leculo lethi abahamba bahambayo. Uthi that day uMseleku changed it to say abahamba ethi akahamba uhambayo to say abahamba bahambayo so sala sincenga. Well, as far as my memory serves me right, Mseleku sang that song what abahamba bahambayo ekhuluma nobani esho kuMangwabo. Yebo, he changed his tune ngalensikhathi esethathile ugel wathi maybe hamba bonke ke sethatha umakhe abafuna ukuhamba bonke abahambi. So what her name Thobile sang that song mekuthiwa bahamba bahambayo ehleke eculela umbali uMangwabe. Mangabe sekusho kubo bonke manje ukuthiwa abahamba bahambayo, why is she so much concerned? Because all along she was okay with the song, but Mr. bonke naye included akahambe. She now says vision was lost ngaleyo nkathi, vision yokubuild the legacy of the Mseleku, of building the empire, of building umuzika flow. So bekumnandi mecula iculo lomunye umuntu mase culelwa wena usuthatha personal because uthi uMseleku excited by umfazi umusha. Usethi ke Thobile there are two reasons. The first one is the fact that ukuthi kwacula iculo, and the second one ilona leya Makwela yokuthi the fifth wife was taken. Out of all these wives, Thobile feels like she's the only one who's more affected by more than any other wives. Why? There was Umbali after you. Umbali lo ofikile uMangwabe okuyena number 4 wengamfuni lona. She's okay, guys. Mangwabe is fine. I'm not. I don't know how am I going to explain this. I think bengimthatha ngendlela I understand. But Mangwabe is such a lady. Mangwabe is such a lady. uMangwabe une respect, and uMangwabe is so calm, and uMangwabe uyamthanda uMseleku. Now babundaba yabuza ukuthi do you feel Mseleku ukuthi mhlambe you've done anything wrong because kwalahleke vision mhlambe leadership skill like uthi Mseleku usoft abafazi bayaphika. I will say Mseleku soft so much ukuthi bamgebele emakhanda bonke. If Mseleku was not this man that he is, that much soft, phela ngaba bonke laba abafazi obatshela 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and ningenzeke lutho. Abatshela ukwenza ukuthi awuphume la ukwenza ukuthi and bangakwenza. Mseleku is so soft. That's how mayini bemkhomba ngeminwe. That's being soft. That's why uMangwabe bethi Lwandla ngifuna ukukhuluma bambe bekhuluma yonke into abayifuna ukuyisho on social media because he is soft. That's why uMangwabe mekumvukela thi uyahamba because Mseleku is soft. Why these women are lying saying Mseleku is not soft? Mseleku is a softie, like a very softie, like a softie akabaphethe ngesandla sensimbi. Hence umuzika flow feel. If ukuthi ubaphethe ngesandla sensimbi ngabe umuzika flow khona uyaphila. Okay. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is the first part of the episode. Now we're going to move to the Sibhedlela and exactly show you what actually happened in Sibhedlela and why Mseleku does not have a medical aid.